All right, in today's video, what you're gonna see, we have to be out of here in about 5 days time. So we're gonna turn this from this to this. So keep watching if you wanna see how it goes. This is the process, clearing out the shop for the fire repairs. So I'm here with Mosi. So me and Arno, the last two men standing in the whole operation, we're gonna take care of business here. Say something, Mustard.
No, it's not much to say.
You've always got lots to say.
No, not now. Maybe when we're done.
Hey, oh. I'll play that Viking song for you while you're pulling this. So Arno's packed his shit and he's going, but he's had enough of this shit. He's just like packed up and he's out of here. Gonna jack up this Gladiator, get a set of wheels on the back here, jack the Bronco up, get a set of wheels on the back of the Bronco here. Total carnage, as you can see. Get another fucking wheel on the back of this one here, so we can start getting them out. We have to unpack this entire shop by next week Monday, and there's only 2 of us. It's gonna be fun. All right, a quick update. We've managed to get the Gladiator and the Bronco now onto some wheels so we can start to clean up the place. I'm gonna flip the camera around so you can have a look. But check it out, we're making progress. Check, we've got this one now. She's on wheels. Bronco's on wheels. Started cleaning up all the crap here. It's all the burnt rims. So back on wheels. Progress. We are now in full cleaning mode. We've got the Gladiator outside so you can start to see the damage. All the paint melted there, all on the side. All the wires. No, we'll save it, we'll save it. All right, we got the Bronco out now. You can see what's left of her. It's got pretty badly burned. Sides are not so bad, actually did us a favor taking off the paint. The worst is probably the dash and the cluster and the steering. All replaceable parts, but yeah, at the end of the day, it could have been a lot worse. So it cost a bit of money to fix her and get her back to where she's supposed to be, but we're up for the challenge. But that's the Bronco. Finally managed to get her out now. So yes, let's have a look. You can see what the rest of the shop looks like now. We got the Gladiator out as well. See the Bronco's just puking gearbox oil everywhere, ATF. And you can see now down here by this side of the shop, managed to get all this stuff out. There's the remnants of the fire there. It's a little bit better. Arno gave her a little once over there with the air and a vacuum. Mostly the plastics that are damaged, but we'll replace that. But all the metal seems to be alright, well fixable. Quick walkthrough of the yard before the big cleanup starts. Remember it, we say farewell to the shop for a few weeks and then we'll see what it looks like when we come back. But all of this stuff has to go. Here's the Bronco. Alright, there's the Gladiator on its way now. Chris's crew, Georgia and Wisdom, ABR. Alright, we're busy loading the Apache now, off to storage. Then next we got the Sea Urchin going. Then we've got the Blue Demon. And then we've got the Snowcap. And then we've got to move that thing. Oh, damn. Hello, I'm leaving. You're having fun, remember?
Yes, we're having fun, yeah.
and then there's the queue for the rest to go. So as you can see, that's our progress so far. We've cleared out most of the shop. All the trucks are out of the booth and everything. Got these 3 still to go outside here. Got the harvester to go. All that stuff, the stuff up top there. This section of the shop is now clear as well. So we've managed to get all, here's where the main fire was. So these 2 are gone. There's the remnants of some of the parts. But yes, Monday we'll start clearing all this stuff here. And then we'll wait for them to paint, clean our shop. As you can see, that's how dark all the walls were. We cleaned it up to about there. We couldn't reach any higher. But that's the color all the walls were, down to the ground. So, and those are skylights there, but you can barely see anything. They're so dark. Progress, progress. Apache on its way. The booth is being cleared out. We've cleared out that section, all the trucks from that section of the shop now. On Monday we start with all the shelving and everything and get all that broken down and out. Start from this area, clear down. Monday we're moving the Diamond T, the harvester, the donkey and the K50 outside. Yeah, keep you guys posted. Hope you enjoyed the first video. So far so good. We got these last 2 leaving now. And then we're pretty much done for the day and we're going to call it a day. Also have a bit of a weekend. And you can check...
Day 2 of packing up, Arno.
Day 2, eh? As you can see, Morsi's here. Some of us worked on Saturday, which would be me, while some of us were out there on a farm shooting and having a lekker day.
Guys, homie, we are in Ceres on a farm. And check this, bro. We're gonna sleep tonight here. Tekeningen up there as well. We'll get to that.
Names, but
I didn't say you must work. Eh?
so anyway, this is how far we are now of getting our whole shop out so they can come clean. See how black it used to be. We cleaned everything below that line. So there we go, the end of day 2's packing is done. We've jammed the spray booth full of stuff because we're allowed to store stuff there. This side here is almost completely cleared now. Tomorrow we should get the rest of it out and then we can start handing over the place for them to clean. The trucks we're going to push out on the last day, Wednesday. I've made a space for these 4 outside and we'll push them out. My 2 are now running, so they don't need to stay here anymore, they'll be going home. Rock
Day
and
3
roll.
of the move.
Busy moving the last of the trucks out to the yard. Got the K50 coming out now, going next to the donor K50. Go, turn it. All right, some progress. We've got the K50 out, we've got the Diamond T out. We've got to get the harvester out, and we've got to get the donkey out. Get the flag down to get the compressor away. There we go. We are almost out of the shop, ready for renovations. have it. The workshop is clean. Arno and his crew kicked ass for 2 days. And the workshop is officially empty. Some rubbish over there, but it's done. So now we finished here, and I thought I was going home, but the big shutter door decided to fall down, so I had to get someone to come fix the shutter door before I can go home. Is your problem there? Thanks to these dudes, if you need 24-hour service or you have a problem with a roller shutter door or any of your stuff, these are the dudes for you. 24 hours, best dudes ever. So we're here in like 10 minutes. Scaffolding has arrived. The cleanup process begins. See a visible difference. First day of like the cleanup operation is finally upon us. Got the booth all covered up. Tomorrow they got a bigger crew coming again to start scraping and scrubbing the ceiling and the skylights, but it's starting to definitely take shape. What I'll do is I think we'll keep a part 2 video for when it's finished now. This is enough of the cleaning operation.